Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Zone. Today, we're going to show you how to use picture-in-picture mode for YouTube on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, we need to enable picture-in-picture in your iPhone settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down to General, and tap it. Then find Picture-in-Picture, and tap that. Make sure the Start Picture-in-Picture automatically toggle is switched on. Great, now we can head back to the home screen. Now, picture-in-picture is enabled for other platforms like Apple TV and FaceTime, but for YouTube, you'll need to enable it in the YouTube app as well. Just a heads up, this usually requires YouTube Premium, depending on your region. Open the YouTube app, tap your channel icon in the bottom right corner, and then tap the settings icon in the top right. In the settings menu, find General and tap that. Finally, find Picture-in-Picture and toggle it on. Awesome, let's exit the YouTube settings. To use picture-in-picture, find a video that's currently playing. I'll use a video from Techademics, my other channel focused on Windows tutorials, for this example. Once the video is playing, simply swipe up to go to your home screen. Picture-in-picture should start automatically. You can drag the picture-in-picture window to any corner of your screen. If you want to temporarily remove it, drag it to the side, you'll see an arrow notch. To bring it back, just tap that notch. You'll also have basic video controls right there in the picture-in-picture screen. To go back to the full YouTube player, either open the YouTube app again, or tap the icon in the top right corner of the picture-in-picture window. Now, if you don't want picture-in-picture to start automatically, just pause the video before going back to your home screen. Picture-in-picture won't pop up. And if you just want to listen to the YouTube video, go to your control center and hit play from there. And that's it. That's how you use picture-in-picture mode for YouTube on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tutorials.